Okay, so Vern, don't put it right in my face. Alright, so now we're going to try and change the light. See, righty tighty, lefty loosey.
You're not getting it.
We're going to try and change the bulb out. My brake light is working, but the bed light is not coming on. And we're going to be camping this weekend, and I'm going to need this bed light. So, Emily did this one time, and so because of her, I'm like, okay, well, she's smart enough to figure it out, then that inspires me to do it too. So there's 2 screws on both sides of this light, ladies. Talking to the ladies here. And we'll just unscrew. Ooh, that's long. I thought it was going to be short. Alright, move your arm.
Yeah.
Get this other side. And if righty-tighty means you're making something, you're tightening something up. And lefty-loosey means you turn it to the left to loosen it.
I think everyone knows that, Mom.
Well, just in case there's one person out there that doesn't know what righty-tighty, lefty-loosey is.
Let's get Taco Bell.
No.
Just kidding, actually.
Okay, so go ahead and pause it as I try to So, almost there, it's coming. Alright. So I'll just use my fingers and take that out. Okay? Alright, now you can push play. Alright, so we got both screws out now, and somehow you,
Close. They're about to close! Oh my god!
It's at 10.
It's 9
So
p.m.
we can. Okay, there we go. So just use that thing. Okay. Now, how do you find the light bulb?
Oh.
Oh man.
That's wow. That's that long.
Okay, so the bed light is what's not working. So he said it might look like the bulb is burned out. So which one of these looks burned out? This one?
I can't tell.
Because that one looks, the middle one looks red. But maybe it's supposed to be red.
Yeah, it's supposed to be. Oh, they're turning back on.
So, I don't know. I guess we'll change both of them. I don't know. Here. Alright, so keep the light on here, please. I don't know how to do this. Okay, so I just kind of twisted it. Whoa, that one's busted.
That broke.
Oh, okay. So, let's take a look at this. Maybe by looking at the bulb, we can, being all serious here. Maybe by looking at the bulb, we can kind of tell how it's supposed to go in there. Okay, so here it is. And this is what this looks like, so I guess we need to pop it out somehow. Ah, hope I don't cut myself.
Why don't you cut yourself?
Ah, I'm scared. Because I don't know what I'm doing.
Wear gloves.
I don't know how it pops out.
Righty tighty, lefty loose. Try that.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Ah. Okay, go ahead and pause it.
I have to pause. Yeah, Mom really knows how to change a light bulb. Why are you trying to give a tutorial?
Oh.
Tutorial is already dang. Mom trying to get out of the truck. And she can't change the bulb. So much for a tutorial. Well, the tutorial's where you teach someone else, not yourself.
Yeah, it seemed like they were a little burnt up.
Yeah, I just didn't know how to. I didn't know if it was unscrewed or popped. So. Alright, thank you. Appreciate it. Okay. When you get down there, will you turn that roller? Let me see if it comes on. That roller on the left. Yeah, there's like a little, side on the right of it, I think. Yeah. Okay. Yay. Got it.
What a tutorial.
Well, I got pretty far, so I'm pretty proud of myself.
Alright, that's the video, guys. Alright, bye.
Ask for help. I didn't want to, but
Shanna asked for help. Ha
I
ha
just didn't
ha.
know if I was supposed to unscrew it or pop it out. So on these little light bulbs, what you do is they pop out, okay? And instead of him just telling me, he came out here and did it for me. But he was being nice, so I didn't stop him. But anyway, I'm gonna screw the screws back in there. The bed light came on. So, ladies, I know if I can figure this stuff out, you can. And so I just hope I inspire you to change the air filter maybe in your car. Of course, I don't know about your car because my truck, you know, all cars are different, trucks are different. I act like I really know. And change your oil. I changed the oil. You get a little dirty, it's okay. And I changed the